If you're experiencing high ping while playing League of Legends, it can significantly affect your gaming experience. Here is a simple guide to help you disable high ping. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it tends to be more reliable than Wi-Fi. Run a speed test to confirm your download and upload speeds. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching League of Legends, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs like streaming services, downloads, or other games can consume bandwidth and increase ping. Step 3. Change server region. Open the League of Legends client and check your server settings. If you're playing on a server that is far from your location, consider switching to a closer server to reduce ping. Step 4. Adjust in-game settings. In the League of Legends client, go to the Settings menu and adjust your network settings. Enable the option for low latency mode if available, which can help improve your ping during matches. Step 5. Contact your internet service provider. If you've tried the above steps and still experience high ping, reach out to your internet service provider. They may be able to identify issues with your connection or suggest upgrades for better performance. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce high ping and enjoy a smoother gaming experience in League of Legends. Happy gaming!